Hello friends, Aadaptron brings a maths quiz for you all. Are you ready? Let's begin. What is the largest two-digit number and smallest two-digit number? Can anyone guess? Yay! You are correct. It's 99 and 10. How many sides and corners does a triangle have? Think. 3 sides and 3 corners is the correct answer. Hit like if you got it right. What is 10 minus 3? Quickly calculate and answer in the chat. It is 7. Yay! We are right. Which of these numbers is greater than 25? 26, 14 or 20? Yes. Option A, 26 is the right. How many months are there in a year? It's 12. Comment 12 if you got the right answer. If you have 6 apples and you give away 2, how many do you have left with you? Answer is 4. Which number is in tens place in the number 45? Guess. Yes, 4, you were right. Keep smiling. Which of the following is an odd number? 8, 5 or 4? Who will tell? Aha, it's 5. What is the next number in the sequence? 2, 4, 6, 8. The number is 10. If you have 3 apples and you get 2 more, how many apples do you have in total? Who will tell this? Comment in the chat box. Yes, I will tell. If you have 3 apples and you add 2, you will get 5. So answer is 5. Now how many days are there in a week? Can anyone tell? Yes, it's 7. You were right. What is the total of 2, 4 and 1? To get a total, we need to add all these numbers and we will get 7. What comes after 48? Yes, it's 49. Which number is greater than 36 but smaller than 39? For this, we need to check all the options and 38 is the right answer. How many legs do 2 cats have? If one has 4, then 2 will have 8. 8 is the right answer. Which of these is heavier, 1 kg of cotton or 1 kg of iron? Both will weigh the same. How many wheels does a car usually have? 4 is the right answer. Which number is missing? 7-9? I think it's 8. Yes, you were also right. What is 5 plus 3? Can anyone tell? Yes, it's 8. Yippee! You finished the complete quiz. Tap on the back and subscribe to our channel for more such quizzes. Stay tuned. Also hit the bell icon. Thank you.